So here we have it, guys, our eye mechanism up and running. The servos, as you can hear, are still pretty jittery. I think that's because I don't have a power supply powerful enough for this yet. Actually, the power supply itself is plenty powerful for it, but I have to run it through this buck converter to knock it down to 5 volts, and this is limited to 3 amps. And I think for 6 servos, I think that's maybe not quite enough. I'm hoping that's the problem. So tomorrow I'll try to source a better power supply, and hopefully that will be a thing of the past. I'm controlling the mechanism right now with this joystick. This is just for testing purposes. The eyes will actually be controlled by this little board. This is a person sensor made by a company called Useful Sensors out of California. You can get this on the SparkFun website. I'll leave a link down below. This is a self-contained face tracking camera unit. I mean, if you were really ambitious and had lots of free time, you could of course program your own face tracking algorithm and pair that with a Arduino compatible camera. But not only do I not have that much spare time, my programming skills are just not up to that task. What this lets us do is that it lets our creature maintain eye contact with the user, even if the user is moving around. This means that she will not just be reacting when we talk to her, like Alexa does, but actually seeking out interaction. Watching you while you make dinner, for example, but in a friendly, curious way, like a child who wants to learn from you. I think this is going to be really cool. I want to take a moment and look at the Amazon Echo device itself, because I think I see a problem here. And the problem is this. Alexa is designed so that when she hears the wake word, she knows to then listen for a question or a command. Computer, what is your favorite robot?
My favorite is BB-8. I really like how he rolls.
The problem for us is that I don't want to have to tell our creature to wake up and then give her a command. I want her eyes to respond the moment I say her name, just like any creature would. But I can't find a way to program Alexa so that she will send a signal as soon as she hears the wake word. She's designed so that you have to say the wake word and then tell her what you want. But I think I might have found a solution. Let me show you what I mean. So this is our Alexa all disassembled. This is our main chassis and speaker assembly. This is our main board. Here's our 12 volts coming in. Right next to it is an audio output that